Hi there, it's me Megan, and I'm here to walk you through yet another segment of the Learn to Monetize More video series. This tutorial will teach you how to monitor discrepancies in DFP. Let's begin. Data discrepancies is a frequently discussed topic among publishers. And why wouldn't it be? At the heart of digital advertising is ensuring that the data is accurate. It's absolutely crucial to double and triple check throughout the life of your campaigns that impressions and clicks are accurately tracked. If there are discrepancies, it can equate to losses, both for you and for your ad partners. To keep a close eye on discrepancies, we recommend to maintain a daily inventory sheet. The daily inventory sheet assists publishers in answering several vital questions that they have when identifying potential data discrepancies. These pivotal questions include: how many page views with ads on page were recorded per day? How many impressions did DFP register, and how does this compare with the number of impressions received by each ad network? How many of the received impressions were monetized? How much of a discrepancy are you seeing? What is the cause of the discrepancy? With these questions in mind, you would pull a daily inventory sheet as shown in the spreadsheet example here and try to find answers. To answer our first question, how many page views with ads on page were recorded per day, we need to look at the display ads per page column. Looking at the display ads per page, potential anomalies may be indicated if the ads displayed drops from its normal range. In our example, we see 4.22 to 4.46 display ads per page for Wednesday through Saturday. But then, all of a sudden, we see the ads per page drop to 3.05 on Sunday. That's quite a decrease in views and may indicate something went wrong. Let's move on and try to find an answer for our second question. How many impressions did DFP register, and how does this compare with the number of impressions received by each ad network? To find out which ad network caused the reporting discrepancy, we need to first log into our DFP account and navigate to Reports. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on the All Queries link. Let's create a new query and give it a name. In this example, I'm going to name the query Ad Network Discrepancy Monitoring. For the date range, let's choose Yesterday. We also need to choose Date and Order in the report dimensions. I'll do this now. Finally, we need to tell DFP what report metric we want to query. Since we're trying to figure out how many impressions DFP registered, we need to checkmark the box for total impressions in the report metrics. Now we can click Save and run the report. Now that you have the DFP report query, it's time to compare the results with our partner ad network. We want to make sure that the total impressions DFP tracked matches up to the total impressions our ad partner registered. Now, if both parties' impressions have less than a 10% discrepancy, then we are in a safe range as far as acceptable discrepancies go. If, however, the impression counts have a discrepancy over 10%, we need to investigate further. In such a scenario, we need to reach out to the ad rep immediately and ask them to investigate the discrepancy. Be sure to send them the DFP report so they have all the details necessary for comparison and troubleshooting. They may need to add a cache buster tag on their end so that impressions are properly tracked going forward. On the trafficking end, it's important to double check and ensure the ad tag is properly implemented onto the page. Monitoring your campaign via DFP report queries really doesn't take a lot of your time. It's easiest to set up the queries on an automatic schedule and have them mailed to you for your review. In this way, you will always be sure to catch a potentially large discrepancy before it gets out of hand, negatively impacting your ad revenues. That concludes our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on our latest videos. See you next time!